It's the Big Sam Studio. Welcome back to the studio. Alright, so now I just took some white chalk to kind of fix up some of the lines, and then we're going to paint them back over to clean it up a little bit and keep it going. Alrighty, this one's coming out pretty fresh, if I say so myself. Now we're getting into the super fun parts of the painting. Gonna put on some more layers on here, really make it pop, build up the colors, and fix up the background. Let's go. Hey, happy Labor Day. I didn't get as much painting done as I would have liked this weekend, but we're gonna finish this puppy up right now. And here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo doo